Alright guys, so today I am back with another home decor video. So today we're going to be tackling Zara's room. Her room was super plain and empty. The only thing that was up was her crib and 2 shelves. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So first I had to go ahead and move stuff off the floor onto her crib because I had to put some stuff on the wall, and I had a lot of stuff in her room for stuff to decorate her room, but also this room was the first room I did before I did Zoe's room. And if you haven't seen Zoe's room, I will leave a link for it down below. But the first thing I'm going to do is hang up this DIY letter sign that I made out of styrofoam and some paint. If you guys want to see a video on how I made this letter thing, I think I only spent $3 on it. Let me know and leave a comment down below, or give this video a nice big thumbs up, and I will share this with you guys. It was super easy and super affordable. So I'm just using some really super holdable double-sided tape to stick this guy on the wall. I did have a little bit of struggle with this, but in the end it kind of came together. So this is what the finished product looked like, and I love it, and Zara liked it too because it said her cute little name on there. So now I had this little net thing that I got from Amazon, and I think this was like $20. I will leave this down below as well. Pretty much everything that I can basically leave below will be left in the description box. So I have these little what are they called, the little sticky hook things from the I can't even think of the name of them, but I was sticking this on the ceiling. Don't do what I do, get a ladder. I have a ladder, but it was downstairs. I was being lazy, and I'm sticking that onto the ceiling to hang this net from. Once again, I don't know what I was thinking about using the chair. I almost fell like 3 times, but let's be real, sometimes you gotta struggle, sometimes you're just a little lazy, and you learn from your mistakes. So this net did not come with an opening, so I had to cut one to kind of give me that drapey look on either side, because then it's like, how do you get in and out of this thing? So I kind of just fixed it, and then I had to cut a little bit because it was kind of crooked, but we figured it out. So now, I don't know why this clip is so dark, but I was just kind of organizing the picture frames, trying to figure out how I was going to put them on there. And then I had to sit down and take the pictures that came with the frames out and add in some pictures that I printed for Zara. And I did all of the pictures black and white because her color scheme is gray. These picture frames is from IKEA. They were super affordable, and I'll leave them down below. Now that I have all the pictures in the picture frame, it is time to go ahead and hang them. This wall seems smaller than what it is in person, but it is pretty wide and long. So I got 4 picture frames, and I needed to figure out how to evenly space them and make sure they weren't crooked. I did use my level, so if you don't have a level, please get one. And I have a ruler as well, so I decided to use this long ruler that I bought from Home Depot. It was like $1. This actually worked pretty well as well, instead of having to go downstairs to get my level. But this helped me figure out how much space to leave in between each picture frame, and I kind of marked it with a little tag so I knew where to put the picture frame and how high. So it was super easy. It made sense in my head. So you just kind of move it around and figure out how much space you want to leave in between. And the camera was actually turned sideways, that's why it looks kind of to the side to you guys, but they were actually straight. So this is the final look of hanging up the pictures. They came out evenly spaced and they looked really cute. I did one from when she was a newborn to 6 months to 1 year until her age now, which is 2. Next on this wall, I want to also add something that was really cute and fun. And I got these little bucket things from IKEA, and she can add some little toys and some little teddy bears in. I don't know, she's still young, so we just want to add some accent things into her wall that she can grow into. This wall is the wall that's going to have the 3 little cube shelves that you guys have seen this in Zoe's old room when we lived in an apartment. So I want to reuse these in Zara's room because why waste something? And so I'm just doing the same method I did in that video, where I kind of put some tape on the back of the shelves and I traced the holes and I put the tape on the wall. Then I put my screws in and then I just kind of hooked the shelves onto the screws. And I was able to kind of pick the tape up and move it around depending on how far I wanted each shelf to go. And in this shelf is where I'm going to put some little cute teddy bears and some cute little things that she doesn't really need to mess with or play with, but just to add something to the wall. So moving right along, I decided to go ahead and tackle this other wall in Zara's room. So pretty much each wall have something. I have this picture frame, and I think this was from Zoe's old room as well, and it works perfect in Zara's room. I just need to add a new picture in there of Zoe and Zara in there. And then I have another one of those bracket shelf things, but this one came with hooks, so I'm just gonna put it up there so I can hook maybe some of her cute jackets or something on there. I just wanted to add some things that Zara can grow into and she can change up as she gets older, but for now it works perfectly because she's so small and everything was just pretty much basic, so we can customize it later as she gets older. So this bracket shelf comes with 4 different hooks. I think it was 5, but I only wanted to use the 4 to hang stuff on. So now it was time to do the final touches, which was decorating the bed and a few other things. So I got this cute little thick kind of blanket from TJ Maxx, and it came with a cute little pillow. So I also bought some new sheets for her crib from Target to match the blanket, and this is the same crib that Zoe had when she was little, and the difference is that Zara did not get to sleep in it as an infant because we didn't have space in our apartment. So I just took the front of the crib off just to make it as a little cute day bed for her. So I'm just going to add the waterproof I think pad for this mattress, so just in case if she TT in the bed, we don't have to worry about cleaning the mattress. And that's what keeps the mattress so clean, is getting a waterproof mat for it. Then you go on and put your sheet on. I was actually on the phone talking, so that's why it looks like I'm talking to you guys, but I was actually talking on the phone. I wanted to make her bed a little bit more comfy and inviting, so I just added all these pillows and just kind of made it look really cute and comfy for her. So for this wall, I have these 2 shelves, so I decided to add some cute books into her little bookshelf thing that I DIY'd. I got this from her grandma, which was different colors, and I just painted it this light gray color and added some of her favorite books. These little cube shelves, I got them from I want to say Aldi. And they were the perfect colors because on the side they are gray. In the front they have this wood. So I added some of her toys in 2 of them and some Pampers and wipes in the other 2. And I'm just going around adding some touches of like some fun things that Zara likes to play with and have in her room. And also on this shelf I added the cute little wagon that you see on the second shelf, which is another refurbished item in this room. And I just wanted to make it really cute and just simple for her to be able to clean up on her own, and also make it easy to access some of her day-to-day things like her diapers and her wipes. So at the bottom of the shelf, I added some blankets that we can use just in case if her blankets get dirty. And on this side of the wall, I added this cute little small rug that I found at Five Below. Added some teddies inside the cubbies, and then I placed a table so that she can stand and play. I wanted to give her room just options. Even though they have the playroom, Zara likes to play on her own. So I got this little baby monitor from Target, and I think it's super cute because it's really easy and sleek. And it just fits right into the room. So first I'm going to plug it and hook it up. And the cool thing about this monitor is that the part that I usually have with me can be hooked onto my pants or can be taken around the house with me, and it can be used with batteries, and I don't have to have it plugged into the wall. So I'm just going to add her jacket onto this little hook thing here just to kind of make it really cute and fancy. And that was it, guys. This is the final touch, the final room. I hope you guys enjoyed this room makeover, this room decor video. Zara was so in love with her room. It's super easy and clean. It's more my style than hers. And everything that she loves and needs, it's kind of at her reach, and she can grow into the space. So let me know how you guys feel about this room, and don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Okay guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.